So okay, in this video we'll be doing a knife box from HackTheBox. So IP address is 10.10.10.242. I did not run the nmap scan. So okay, let's go if it has a website. So just it might take a while. So you can see now we got the website. So these are not clickables, these are not hyperlinks, and press Ctrl U and there is no juicy information in the source code. So I have spent so much time in brute forcing. We got the like icons for directory and tools directory, etc. Sorry, icons small. So there is nothing interesting here. So let's click on this vaporizer. So it should show you the PHP version. So it says PHP 8.1.0 and Apache 2429. So let's search for these exploits. And you can see we got one user agent remote code execution. So actually this is a backdoor. So PHP 8.1.0 version is shipped with this backdoor and then removed immediately. So here what they are sending is another request header user agent with this gerodium system of this command. So let's try that on our own. If it did not work, let's use the Python script. So let's turn on the intercept. Let's refresh this page and send it to repeater. So we can modify this. Copy this. We can just copy this one. Gerodium system. User agent double T, right? So double T and gerodium system of so maybe we should do the command like this. Who am I? We need to put the semicolon. I don't know. So let's try this one. So the code may be executed or we can't see any output, or it's just executing the commands. So okay, we got the gems, right? Okay, it's being executed. This way, so you can just say which Python. So Python. There is no Python, I think so. So okay, there is Python 3. So let's go and grab the Python reversal. So let's kind of listen the listener on 3333. So you can simply copy this. Okay, wait, one problem is single quotes, and we have this single quote here. Okay, no problem. Let's copy this. Let's try to encode this one. So paste here and select this Python 3 to our double quote and press Ctrl U. So let's send this. Oh, you did not understand. Okay. So I thought this one. So let's go for bash reversal. So you can grab all these reversals from Pentest Monkey. So let's copy this simple one. Oh no, we did not get anything. ifconfig. Let's encode this. Okay, we did not get anyone. Okay, fine. I think these codes are getting in trouble. So let's copy this. So bin bash execute this command. So in this, let's press this double quotes. Now we should execute. If it did not execute, so it did not execute. So let's see the Python script from this GitHub repository. Let's see how the reversal it's going. Okay, they are putting this one. Okay, they are putting this backward slash to escape that character. I think this should be fine. So let's go and use this. So this is the Python script. Let's go and use that. And the IP address is 10.10.10.242 and 10.10.16.190, and now it's 3333. Now hit enter. So we got the shell. Let's import the PTY and let's upgrade to TTY shell. Okay, now if you run the sudo l, so we can run this usr bin knife as a root user without password. If you run this normally, the knife binary, and you'll get so many options. So you can run wsman, winrm, windows commands. So you can also run this vsphere commands. So it's like you can run so many commands here. But if you observe carefully, the one command you need to search for is to execute the Linux commands. So scroll up, and there should be one option for this knife binary. So let me grep for this one. Grep for exec. And you can see you can run the knife binary and exec and the script and the options. So that means you can execute let's say script, let's just say bin sh, and you will get the error. So I have spent so much time in understanding why it's not executed. Then let's go with this one. So I will show you why it's not executing. So search like this knife exec sample. Now you will get this documentation for this docs.chef.io. So now let's scroll down and Ruby scripts. So you can see now you can run the Ruby scripts. Okay, that's not a shell script, and you can run the code by putting this capital E or exec, and you can run this code, Ruby code. So let's go to GTFO bins, or let's say Ruby pawn shell. Sorry, let's Ruby pawn shell. So let's go to this. Okay, let's go to GTFO bins. Now search for Ruby. So this will have some syntax. You can directly spawn this. So exec bin sh. Let's copy only this one. So only this script can be treated as a Ruby script. Okay. So what I can do is I can run this as sudo. There will be no password prompt. Exec capital E and then this one. So I think we should encode this in single quote. Let's see. And we got the shell, root shell. So I have spent a lot of this time why this is not executing, because it's a Ruby script. So you can go with that and you can get this.